Hi guys.
G'day.
How you doing?
Hey, good. How are you?
All right, good.
We are.
This is going to be the big audition for you guys.
Yeah.
You know, if you could sing "Happy Birthday" to the Apollo for us, that would be great because we got
Absolutely.
all good things. All right, because you guys are renowned.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Apollo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Apollo.
I'm going to tell you what a thrill it is to be on this stage. Tonight we are dancing the footprints of legends. You know, I got to say something right now. I bet you never thought you'd be watching 4 white Aussies sing Motown at the Apollo. Crazy, right?
It's amazing for us. You know, we're a group from Australia called Human Nature, and it's just, we do a show in Las Vegas, a Motown show. So for us, you know, the connection of Motown with the Apollo is just incredible. Over the 80 years, you know, they all performed on this stage, and for us to get the chance to come and perform here and represent Motown, it's amazing.
We've been a group now for 25 years. Crazy. But when we were back in high school, we wanted to be just like the Motown groups. We wanted to sing like the Four Tops, and dress like the Miracles, and dance like the Jacksons. But now we're living our dream. We're actually doing a show in Las Vegas, which is presented by our good friend, Mr. Smokey Robinson. And we are thankful for him to be here tonight. But you know, Smokey, he wrote some of the biggest hits that Motown ever had. And we think his best song, though, is one that he wrote in 1964. Now, he gave it to the Temptations, and this is not only a great song. For us, this defines the Motown sound. Come on, sing it with us. Say
You guys have been around for a while. This is not your first gig.
No, it's not our first gig.
No, we've actually, at the end of this year, we would have been together 25 years. So
Right.
we've been singing together a long
Lovely
time,
day.
and you know, we just love performing together. And you know, we started out singing a cappella, inspired by all the groups of Motown, the Four Tops, Temptations, and so to be coming round full circle to be here tonight is just incredible.
All right, Apollo, tell me. You guys feel like dancing? I didn't hear you. Come on, do you guys feel like dancing?
same four guys?
Absolutely, yeah.
Wow. So what keeps a group together?
We're waiting to play the Apollo.
This is our last gig. No, don't do that, because you really have a great reputation. You're very, you're out at a lot of socially responsible events as well. For many, many years.
Yeah, and we're proud. I mean, obviously, we also have the incredible endorsement of Smokey Robinson presents our show in Las Vegas. So just to have him, the connection to Motown is a dream come true for us. So.
When I Googled you, it said that the greatest Motown act.
Really? Wow.
We'll take that one. We'll take that one.
All right, guys. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.